Welcome to our channel. If you want to turn off the voice guide feature on your LG TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to disable this accessibility feature and restore normal operation. Step 1. Using your LG TV remote, press the Settings button, which typically looks like a gear icon. This will open the main settings menu on your screen. Step 2. Navigate to the All Settings option using the directional buttons on your remote and press OK to enter the full settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down and select Accessibility from the list of available options. This section contains features designed to help users with different needs. Step 4. Within the Accessibility menu, locate and select Audio Guidance or Voice Guide, depending on your LG TV model. Step 5. Toggle the Voice Guide option to Off by pressing OK on your remote. The feature should immediately stop providing audio descriptions. Step 6. If you accidentally activated Voice Guide and find it difficult to navigate, you can quickly turn it off by pressing and holding the Settings button on your remote for about 5 seconds. Step 7. After disabling Voice Guide, press the back button to exit the settings menu and return to normal TV viewing. Step 8. Test your TV by navigating through different menus to confirm that the voice guide is no longer active and audio descriptions have stopped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.